Hi there, in this session I would like to tell you how to create a menu using pages. In previous class we just completed pages. We already created these pages, about services, contact pages. So let me create one navigation for our website. So see the front page here, you can see by default menu is there. This is a very default page. So we already created one landing page. Okay, so let me create our navigation. So come into the backend dashboard, come to the appearance menu. This is very important topic. Means appearance menu is the important menu. We can create entire website by using this appearance menu only. Okay, whatever theme you may install in this WordPress, to install the theme you have to come into the appearance menu. If you want to modify the right sidebar, you need to come into use these widgets. If you want to create some menus, need to come to appearance menu. If you want to change any theme options, we are using optimizer. So here we can see optimizer, about optimizer is there. If you installed or if you used another theme, then what is happening is those settings will appear from here. So these are the main settings to customize or to modification our website by using WordPress theme. This is the customization option. Whenever whatever theme you may go, this customization menu option will appear at appearance menu, and it appears in appearance menu customize. There only it will appear. By using this customization only you can modify or you can customize your website. Just hit on these menus. What is happening is we will redirect into menu bar. There you can see the menu option. Even though we couldn't create your first menu below, so what is happening is we need to create one menu. Without creating, this theme has been take one simple page as a navigation. Just come into this section, create. This is a primary menu. Okay, select the primary menu, just create menu. What is happening is here in left side pages also activated. Present it has been deactivated, now it has been activated. And edit menu is you can see like this, and manage locations also you can get after creating the primary menu. Just come into this section, edit menu. So here you will see, you can see display location. This is also main important. This display location came with theme only. That theme is having only two types of navigation: one header navigation, two footer navigation. You can manage these display navigations from here also. Manage location. Manage location means a header menu is a header section, footer menu is a footer section. Navigation is nothing but a menu bar. Okay, so here you can select a menu, which in a header you can change primary menu or footer menu. Here in footer navigation also you can select a primary or footer menu. You need to create one, you need to assign one navigation. For example, come to edit menus. There you can see edit your menu below, create new menus. First you need to create one menu, then you can manage display location by using this option, and also manage location option. For example, I will create menu. There I will create another menu known as footer menu, footer navigation. Now, so here you can see create menu. Just hit on that, then what is happening is all these things will be activated. Footer menu location should be having in footer navigation. Okay, so save the menu. What is happening is it seems to be like this. Now we created two menus, a footer menu and a header menu. So come into this section, you can select menu to edit. So primary menu, select on this one. Then what is happening is footer here you can see primary menu is there. Okay, so this is the header navigation. Just hit on this primary menu as a header navigation. Footer menu is a footer navigation. See, you can see footer navigation is there. So I will select primary navigation like this. Just hit on the save menu, it will be created. So what we did is we just created two menus, header and footer menus. So here in a header navigation I would like to assign these pages. We created pages by using page menu. All these pages will available from this menus pages option. See, here we can see the contact and services pages also be there. Just hit on that one, select those three menus and click add to menu. What is happening is it will come like this. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to create about services contact. Let me see, we have to align the navigations. First, about a service we need to, so I would like to drag and drop this version as a about menu as a first one, services is a second one, just service is the second one, contact is a last one. Just see, contact is a last one. So we selected these menus by using pages only. That's why here you can see page option is there. Okay, so I would like to these three menus will appear at primary menu only, so that I will select save menu. Okay, so what is happening is it seems to be like this. Primary menu has been assigned at header navigation, even though we assigned that one in menu as a header navigation. So coming to main page, so from here just refresh on that one, you can see like this, about services contact page has been created. Let me check it out. If I click in this about section, what is happening is you can able to see like this, about page is having full width. We already created this page as a full width page. And come to services page, just hit on this services, you can able to see services page is having right side widgets area. We will discuss about this right side widgets and widgets section in upcoming next classes. After hit on this contact page, what is happening is you can see the contact page is there. Here in bottom of this paragraph we need to assign one feedback form. We will also discuss about this topic in our next classes. So this is the process to create pages, and this is the process to assign the pages as a navigation bar. So we need to create one home page. How we can do that? See, here in this about section, if you click on this about page, what is happening is you can see it redirects into your website name. I selected WordPress. You can choose your own website name, and the page is about page is there. And hit on these services, what is happening is my website and services page is there. Hit on this contact, here you can see contact page is there. Okay, this is the permalink. We will discuss about that topic also. So that if we want to see this home page, then what we need to do is just remove this page and just hit on enter, so that you can see the landing pages is loaded. So this is the home page. So let's we create how we can create this landing page. Just select that link and copy, come into the dashboard navigation bar appearance menu, just go to and select custom link is there, and paste this one link, and come to here is the URL link. Custom link means we are using some external link. By using external links also we can create navigation. So just I paste that link, and I will choose link text as a home page. Just add to menu. What is happening is you can select like this. So I will drag this one to top position. Just drag like that and save it as menu. Then what is happening is, let me see, here you can see, just refresh from here, here you can find home page is there. Okay, so whatever we planned to create a home about services contact page, we created successfully. So if I click on this about, what is happening is, see, this is my local host server and this is my website. Whatever name you would like to assign as a web page, you can do that one. This is about page. Okay, so if I would like to come into home page, just I click into home page, what it happening is, here you can see this is our main link. We assigned this one because we already created landing page. Home page is having about landing page, and inner pages are having about right side widget, left side content or full width. This is a page attribute having full width. If you hit on the services page, there you can find out right side widget is there and left side content is there, but the home page seems to be full width sections are there. By using, this is the structure of the website. This is the default structure. Whatever you may go with the free or paid themes, every theme is having two sections, nothing but landing page, nothing but home page. Landing page means home page, and inner pages, nothing but about services page. Inner pages always having page attribute, always having right side widgets and left side content. Left side content is there. Okay, but in landing page you can see, there you can see this is having section based pages. You couldn't find any left side right side widgets, you couldn't find any left side contents. Landing page always having sections only like this. So about a little bit about is this section, and contact details is section, and these are the sections, and our works is the section, footer also this section. This is the process to create navigation bar by using pages. Thank you for watching. Follow my class. Thank you.